Students, good morning. Most welcome to the Rita Das classes. I request all the new viewers to please subscribe my channel. Today I am going to teach you the most important part of the writing sections, that is the topic is how to write the biographical sketch. A biographical sketch just tell about the someone's life. It can be written about someone else's life or your own life. If you are writing about someone else, then you must explain who the person is and highlight their major achievements. If the biographical sketch is about you, the same criteria apply. In addition to the goal of presenting yourself in a positive light, below you will find tips on writing a biographical sketch, also known as the bio sketch, in order to keep people engaged and make others want to know more about the subject. In biographical sketch, we have to read about what is biographical sketch and the tips to write the biographical sketch, and points should be remembered, and at last we have to know the examples of the bio sketch. A bio sketch or biographical sketch of a person contains detailed account of his physical outlook, characteristics, nature, job profile, and other relevant personal information is required. The data provided in the question is used to write a bio sketch of personally compiled. Second, tips on writing a biographical sketch. The first tips, we have to remember our purpose of the just writing the biographical sketch. Biographical sketch usually provide an account of a person's life and include two information. If you are writing a bio sketch just someone else, you will want to focus on the following basic information. And the second, the tips is that be concise. It's best to aim for approximately 500 words in these sketches. That's required valid to about one standard single space page. Third, highlight achievements and influences. Try to highlight notable achievements that will impress the audience and make the subjects of more memorable one mention. And the fourth, the tips is that arrange your information. Once you have gathered all the necessary informations to compose a biographical retell the person's life in chronological order, or will you lead with their major achievements and then circle back to tell their full story? The last tips is to write the biographical sketch is verify your information. Before publishing of presenting a biographic sketch on an individual, double check all your sources. It's important that the information being presented is just confirmed and accurate if you writing a biographical sketch. So after knowing the tips, now we have to just know the formats of the biographical sketch. The main points that needed to be incorporated while writing a biographical sketch are: first, we have to write the full name, date of birth, and the place of birth. Second, major personality traits, educational details, highlighting any major achievements or awards, his or her contribution to society, and the point is the any special interest, and the last is why is he or she famous or known for. While writing the bio sketch, it should be written in third form. Second, it should outline important events of a person's life. Second, special awards and recognitions we must be mentioned. And the fourth, emphasize on portraying a person in an admirable manner. So while writing the biographical sketch, we have to remember all these details. So the biographical sketch will be the perfect. Here we have to now some examples of biographical sketch are given. So first question is that on the basis of the information given below, write the bio sketch of Mahatma Gandhi. So the details informations are given in your questions. October 2, 1869, born at Porbandar, and Karamchand and the Putli Bai, 1888 to 1893, completed studies in England, went to South Africa to practice laws of a discriminations there, still moved, and civil disobedience for civil rights of the Indian community. 1942-1915, left South Africa and came back to India. So at the time of writing, we have to just start the biographical sketch of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born on October 2nd, 1869 to Karamchand Gandhi and Putli Bai at Porbandar. After completing his studies in England, he went to South Africa. When he was suffered from discriminations, he started civil disobedience for civil rights of the Indian community. Around 1915, he came back to India. He started Satyagraha, civil disobedience. First, he started the movements and was sentenced many times. Will stop his efforts has helped India gain freedom from the British. In 1948, a madman named Nathuram Godse assassinated outside Birla House. So, after just knowing the first example, the second question is given. The question following is a just sample for writing a descriptive paragraph of a person, and here the question, the detail is given. Ruskin Bond was born 19 May 1934 at Kasholi, sent at Binding School in Mussoorie, school in from Bishop Cotton School in Simla, where he graduated in 1915, an Indian author of British descent. So the second example, how to write the biographical sketch of Ruskin Bond. Answer is given. Ruskin Bond was born on 19th May 1934 at Kasholi. In his childhood, he was sent to a boarding school in Mussoorie. Schooling from Bishop Cotton School in Simla, and also graduated from. He was an Indian author of British descent. Ruskin Bond was an author and a poet he wrote fiction, short stories, novel, travelogues and books for children. Ruskin Bond's work are very much influenced by the life in the hill stations at the foothills of the Himalayas. The writing of Charles Dickens and Mark Twain influenced him very much. In the Our trees still grow in there a flight of pigeons and the blue umbrella, and his autobiographical Lone Fox dancings are some of his prominent. He was awarded numerous awards like the Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan and the Sahitya Academy awarded. To the name a few, he is really a gem of English literature. So, here's after knowing the examples of the biographicals, just I have to tell you that biographical sketch is a most important in the writing sections, and we should not just skip the biographical sketch. So whenever we have to write the biographical sketch, we have to just remember certain tips which I have given here. So you have to remember it, and you have to just tell about the personality and how the person is influenced, how he was recognized by the society, what are the merits and the things which he just gets in his life should be mentioned in the biographical sketch. So it is the most important in the writing section. Thank you.